What are the motions of the earth? Number 1. Rotation. It is the movement of the earth on its axis. What are the motion of the earth? Number 2. Revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or the orbit is called the revolution. What is orbital plane? The plane formed by the orbit is known as orbital plane. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.5 degrees with its orbital plane. What is circle of illumination? Due to the spherical shape of the earth, only half of it get light from the sun at a time. The portion facing the sun experience day, while the other half away from the sun experience night. The circle divides the day from night on the globe is called the circle of illumination. The circle of illumination does not coincide with the axis. What is Earth Day? The Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. This is the daily rotation of the Earth. This period of rotation is known as the Earth Day. Why February has 29 days? It takes exact 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. However, we count 1 year is equal to 365 days only and ignore 6 hours for sake of convenience. 6 hours saved energy year are added to make 1 day 24 hours over a span of 4 years. Thus, every 4th year, February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. What is leap year? A year with 366 days is called a leap. Manner of revolution. The earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Throughout its revolution around the orbit, the earth inclined in the same direction. Types of seasons. Summer seasons, winter seasons, spring seasons, autumn seasons. Why there is change in seasons? Seasons change due to change in the position of the earth around the sun. The rays of the sun are at 90 degree on equator, 90 degree on Tropic of Cancer, 90 degree on the Tropic of Capricorn, depending on the position of the earth. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Therefore, the sun is at 90 degree at Tropic of Cancer. Summer solstice in northern hemisphere, winter solstice in southern hemisphere. Continuous daylight for 6 months. Continuous night for 6 months. Effect of summer solstice in northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere receives more heat. It is summer in northern hemisphere. Whereas southern hemisphere receives less heat, it is winter in southern hemisphere. The days are longer and nights are shorter in northern hemisphere. The days are shorter and nights are longer in southern hemisphere. The North Pole experiences continuous daylight for 6 months. The South Pole experiences continuous night for 6 months. What is winter solstice? On 22nd December, the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Therefore, the rays of the sun is at 90 degree on Tropic of Capricorn. Continuous night for 6 months. Continuous day for 6 months. Winter solstice in northern hemisphere. Summer solstice in southern hemisphere. Effect of winter solstice in southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere receives more heat. It is summer in southern hemisphere. Whereas the northern hemisphere receives less heat, it is winter in northern hemisphere. The days are longer and nights are shorter in southern hemisphere. The days are shorter and nights are longer in northern hemisphere. The South Pole experiences continuous daylight for 6 months. The North Pole experiences continuous night for 6 months. What is equinox? On 21st March and on 23rd September, the rays of the sun is at 90 degree at equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. So the whole earth experiences equal day and night. This is called equinox. Effect of equinox month. On 23rd September, northern hemisphere autumn season, southern hemisphere spring season. On 21st March, northern hemisphere spring season, southern hemisphere autumn season.